Greetings and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 3 and we will discuss briefly in our first workshop today. So, before we begin, I would like to introduce Amira Hamizah binti Azhar, Muhammad Akmal bin Azizan, Nur Aina Farhana binti Hamran, and myself, Nurlena Izzati binti Muhammad Nasir, who have been hard at work in preparation for this session. So let's move on to our first slide, which is a map of empathy. So this map is divided into 5 quadrants, each of which contains tasks, feelings, pain points, an overall goal, influences, and the user or persona in the center, who in our case is a student. So first is tasks, which are what the students are trying to complete. For example, they want to finish the assignments, turn in the assignments on time, complete the assignments as soon as possible, and maintain their concentration when doing work. Second is feelings on how the students are feeling about their experience. So in our case, the students feel easily distracted from technology. Besides that, they feel overburdened as there are too many assignments to do and the assignments are too difficult to do. Third is pain points, which are dedicated to what are the pain points the students are experiencing and hoping to overcome. For example, students rarely have quality time with family and friends, are too stressed out about completing the assignments, feeling burnt out, and having difficulty copying day-to-day existence. Next is overall goals, which contains the student's ultimate goal and what they are trying to achieve. In our situation, students want to put an end to procrastination and the fear of missing an essential deadline or job, increase the speed of their workflow, and stop getting distracted when doing work. So the last one, influences, where the students may have during making actions and taking decisions, where they want to spend time with family and friends, able to do enjoyable things during their free time, mentally healthy, and able to travel or go anywhere with a peace of mind.
Okay, now let's take a look at the next part, which is the use case exploration canvas. So our application names is Energix. So the goals of this application is so that people will able to use their time efficiently and effectively. Next, if they are using this application, they will also be able to finish tasks on the given time. And the third one is pains. So people usually always busy with life, family problems, and do not have time to finish the task given. Next, they also need to finish the task given, but they do not have the motivation to do it and always got distracted. So, if you are using this application name Energix, so the gains is they will not get distracted and have the motivation to finish the task given. They will also have enough time to deal with personal problems and finish their tasks on time. So this product or service is we want to create an application that can be used by students who have problem with being productive and unmotivated. All of our features are free and users can have unlimited access. The most vital thing is that this application targets students that are unable to remain productive, feeling procrastinate, feeling lazy, and unable to finish their tasks on the given time. Next, stakeholders, home, school, university, and company. And the next one is resources. In order to develop this application, government can provide us or help us with provide incentive to the young developer, research and development, and promote us in terms of gain public confidence so that people will use our application. And role. To develop this application, these are our role as government. The first one is to reduce the tax for a startup company, and the next one is to create a program for the young developer. And as a citizen, they can help us by support Malaysian support application made by Malaysian, and the next one they must give honest review so that people or this application can improve time to time.
Nurul Sabrina is our first user persona. She is a single 23-year-old student. Nurul Sabrina is a busy student that rarely has quality time with family and friends due to overburdened work. Her goals and needs are being able to socialize with relatives and friends during weekends. She would also like to turn in the assignments far ahead of the deadline. Her problems include the assignments are too difficult to do and any family gatherings must be attended. During her daily life, she attends online classes on a daily basis, does all of the house chores, and takes care of her younger siblings. For the recommendations, she suggests that an application that allows to collect and arrange tasks and has an option to establish priority levels should be made.
Okay, next, other example of user persona is marketing student with a part-time job. Her name is Hanis Alia and she is 23 years old and the elder siblings which have other responsibilities, especially during this pandemic. Her goals and needs are to be able to manage time between assignments, classes and part-time job properly. Also, to have a good grades and achieve Dean's List Award. Other than that, she have a problem in time management and has less quality time with her family and friends. Her everyday activities include attend online classes every day, doing house chores and cook lunch for her younger brother. Her recommendations are to make an application that suit for students to record their tasks and productivity and also to make an application that have schedule to manage time properly without getting distracted.
Okay, so the next user is Ahmad Wafiq, who is currently a matriculation student and he is 18 years old. So as we know, matriculation students are really packed with their tight schedule. So Wafiq has many things to do and activity to attend and aligning with the assignment that given by the lecturer. The goals that and needs that he wants is to perform well for each semester. And he wanted to have a well-balanced lifestyle for both mentally and physically as a student. The problem is that he cannot have the proper meal due to a lot of activity and work to do so. And then he also feel pressured with peers as they perform well for their academic. Other than his current routine is he also attend online classes like a student and then join event and seminar online if have, as we are still online learning. So he stay at home and taking care of cats and doing house chores. So within the information given, we recommend an application that can arrange tasks of or work properly and efficiently, like have a proper to-do list and remind he to make this one first or that one first. And then we wanted to have a feature in the application to provide a sound or talk to release burden, as they might feel demotivated or stressed due to a lot of work, and also for them to have a me time.
Okay, now let's take a look at the next user persona. Her name is Adiba Himanina. She is a student, 21 years old and single. So her profile, she is a diploma student who is also a part-time worker and continuously thinking about her assignment when traveling or going somewhere. So her goals and needs. Her goals is she wants to have a balanced study, work, and healthy lifestyle. Not only that, she also wants to improve her grades and to overcome social media addiction to increase study productivity. Problems. Her problem is that she's never get to turn in her assignment on time and she always have less quality time to spend with her friends and family. So her everyday activities, she always attending online classes in the morning. She taking care of little sister and working during the day and doing house chores. So the recommendation is that make an application that allows students to record their tasks and important dates. The next one is make an application that can monitor the usage of social media. For device and internet, she always used mobile phone and internet the most during her free time.
Now, let's move on to the second part of the presentation, which is define. There are two things that will be discussed, which are cause-effect diagram and four-square solving problem technique. For cause-effect diagram, the effect is students are unable to remain productive, and the causes are distractions from technology, lack of guidance or direction, boredom with tasks, and getting started too late in the day. For distractions from technology, it is obvious that the students are easily distracted when they have access to modern technologies at home, such as smartphones, gadgets, and televisions. Also, by advanced technology, it will indirectly influence on how students learn. Other than that, lack of guidance or directions. This usually occurs when they perceive a task that to be tough or when they have never completed it before. It can also happen if they are overburdened with any assignments or other obligations and responsibilities at home. Next, boredom with tasks or extremely difficult work. This is because they are dissatisfied with their task. They may find it uninteresting and making it more difficult to complete. This can also be implied when students tend to procrastinate with their work when the task is difficult. And lastly, getting started too late in a day. There are times when their to-do list is too extensive for a single day. Most of the students wait until at the end of the day to start their working on assignments because they are already exhausted with their everyday activities.
So the next technique that we use to identify and solve the problem is by using the four-square problem solving. So the problem obviously is the students facing hard time to remain productive. This is because they interfere with many problems or tons of work, make the student unable to enjoy the day and be productive. So we recommend to choose this feature to apply in our application, which are look for a pattern and then guess and check, draw a picture or diagram, make an organized list and make it simpler. Meanwhile, for the show works, there have many issues faced by the students, which are they feel demotivated. So the solution we provide are we will include calming talk or sound. Within this solution, they will feel more relaxed and be more energetic. The second one is oversleep too much. So we insert an alarm or quiz to solve so that they will wake up until the quiz are settled. The third one is interface with many tasks or difficult work. Within the proper to-do list, they know which one is the compulsory to do first and which one can be do later and others. And the last one is feel tired and drained from too much technology and studies. So the solution we provide is we might insert fun and entertaining show for them to relax, books to enjoy, and games for take a break from doing the assignment or works. And last but not least is the right to explain. The application that we create have many functions that help to lessen their burden, ease their work, and be more well organized. It can be used by many other people, but Energix is very useful for students because by using this, students can have a better lifestyle even if they are at home doing online. So that's all from us. Thank you.